this is Maisie from Maisie Smith's house. Everybody doing? Today I am going to show you how to make banana muffin. This banana muffin is not your regular banana muffin. It's just so healthy, and it doesn't need sugar, it doesn't need oil or milk. We just make it with ripe banana. So when you have a banana like this, ripe banana, don't throw it away. You could use it for so many things. You could use it in your oatmeal, in your smoothie. You could freeze it. You could use it for some toppings or to make banana bread or muffins. But in my case today, we only need 3 bananas, ripe bananas like this, 3 eggs, almond flour, because the almond flour is healthy for you. If you can't find almond flour, you could use any kind of flour you have, but the almond flour is less carb and then full of protein, so that is healthy also. And then we use cinnamon and vanilla, baking powder and baking soda. All of these things are going to be made in one blender. We dump everything in a blender and blend it, and then put it in our muffin tin, bake it at 350 for 15 minutes, and then it's ready. So we're going to show you that today, and I hope you follow and watch, and you could use this muffin for snack, breakfast, with your coffee or anything, and you don't feel guilty about eating it. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and also touch the notification button, so whenever I have recipe out, you just get notified. Okay, so thank you so much for your support. Let's get started. All right, we have our ingredients ready. Let's start. And so we are going to put this bananas in the blender, 3 of them. That gives sweetness to our muffins and also some moisture. Then 3 eggs. I always use pasture raised eggs. Those are very nutritional and good for you. And then 3 cups of almond flour. If you don't have almond flour, that's fine. You could use any other flour, oat flour, anything you like, but almond flour is good if you have access to it. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then once we do that, we start blending like you see here. We don't have a lot of utensils, just one blender, and blend away. So once this is done, make sure your consistency is right like you see here. And then we have our muffin tin ready. We spray some oil here, and then I also lined my muffin tin with this muffin tin liner. If you don't have that, that's fine. You just can put your muffin mixture into the muffin tin without lining it up. So then we are going to use an ice cream scoop. That's what I used, but if you don't have that, you could use a tablespoon and spoon your muffin mixture just like you see here. Make sure you have the similar amount in each muffin cup. That way they bake at the same time, and one is more than the other, then they don't bake at the same time. So like you see here, I put everything here, 12 of them. Then I have some toppings, chocolate chip topping here. I used semi-sweet chocolate chip. Then some nuts. I used walnut on some of them and chocolate chip. And then on the rest of them, I am using cranberries. I usually put the chocolate chip in the mix and then just scoop it, but right now I wanted to use different toppings. That's why I am just topping them like this. And then here, as you can see, I am putting some cranberries, but you can do blueberries, strawberries, whatever you have on hand or whatever you like to put. So once you're done with this, you just take it to your oven, 350, and you bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. I baked it 25 minutes, and then it would be ready. Your house will smell great when it is ready. That is also a sign that your muffin is ready. You can also insert toothpick or a fork to make sure it's ready. And look at that. Right, the muffins are ready and they cool down, and now all we have to do is eat it. So look at this, so good. Some we made with cranberries and some with chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips and nuts. Everything very healthy and good for you. And this muffins, you know, you don't even feel bad about eating. You know, you can grab and go for breakfast with your coffee or tea, so good, or for a snack. You can put some peanut butter on it, like some yogurt on it. So good, so healthy. It's better than buying a muffin from the grocery store, or just so much sugar in it and not even good for our body. So we don't want to do that, especially if we have some health issues, diabetes and things like that. And as we get older, we don't want to eat stuff like that. Okay, so this is does not take that long, and you don't need so many ingredients to make it. So I hope you will like it. I hope you will make it. If you do, let me know. Post your pictures on my Instagram at Maisie's Meals, and also in the comment let me know that you have done it, you have made it, and you have enjoyed it. I am so appreciative of your support. Thank you for subscribing again. And this recipe is on my website. I will post that website, the link in my description box, and also put the ingredients in the description box so you can enjoy it. All right. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you with another video soon. Love you and may God bless you. Bye. Mwah.